Time for another Dirt Daily, and on this episode, I am working on pulling the grill off the front of this Jeep JL Wrangler. Why am I pulling the grill out? Well, I want to get the engine and transmission out, and it's actually easier if you pull the grill and the radiator and all the front core support. For you, you might never need to do that on your Wrangler, but you might need to change a headlight. And so in order to get the headlights out, it's much easier to remove the grill and change those. They're not like the old days where it was just a lens and like a ring that held it in there. Now it's a whole convoluted piece. Another thing that you might want to do is remove the grill in order to put some sort of aftermarket grill on. Angry Eyes grill, whatever, monster face grill. I have a love-hate relationship with those. I kind of love hating them because I, kind of a long-time Jeep guy, I appreciate the Jeep iconic grill, whether it's the tried and true 7-slot grill, the original 9-slot grill from the military flat fenders, or even that, I think it's like a 5-slot grill that was on the postal Jeeps. All of them. I like all of them. And once people started changing that and making them into faces and funny things, I was like, geez. Now, I can't judge because at the end of the day, those are just things that change the way it looks. It doesn't actually change the way it works. And lots of car people are into changing the way their car looks and don't really care about how the way it works. I mean, it's probably a known fact. Lots of Jeeps never go off-road until they trickle down to like 3rd or 4th owners like me who are like, sweet, I got a Jeep and I can beat it up. So the point of my story is that lots of people want to change the way it looks. They want to give it tires on wheels that are really too big, and they want to give it grills that are funny looking. I once actually had a conversation with a guy who I believe was the designer that came up with the very first aftermarket Jeep grill to change the way the Jeep looks, and he even regrets it. He was like, yeah, I probably never should have done that. But they made a lot of money making them. So the point of my story is taking the grill off, not really hard at all. It's like 6 clips. You can do it with a screwdriver. I'm going to show you how to really quick. Then I'm going to dive into the rest of the engine disassembly, taking it out. But if you're going to change the grill in your Jeep, think about it first. Maybe give it a week or two to like really decide if that's what you want to do. And if you bought a Jeep that has that grill, take that grill off, put it on the shelf, and get an original grill and put it back on. Because I bet someday, in about 30 or 50 years, someone will be like, oh, I want to build a 2000 style Jeep again. I wish I could just find one of those Angry Eye grills. Maybe that would make it period correct. Or don't, just take it off, throw it away. Get a regular, normal Jeep grill. All right, let's get to work. So the Jeep grill is held on with like 6 of these little tiny clips. And the way these clips work is the bottom of it kind of balloons out when the top portion is pressed down in. And now we have to hop in here with a screwdriver and pry out that top section like that. And then grab one of these body tools, which are like a little fork, and get underneath there and pull that out. So keep all these parts together. You're going to want to reuse them. Try not to destroy them when you pop them out. And then you will be able to put your Jeep grill back in. I already lost one. The 6 clips are out of the top, and then you just kind of grab on here in this bottom corner, and you can pop the clips out. I think there might be one more. And one over here. And just like that, Jeep grill is out. Now you have access to the headlights. We're going to pull out this core support. We're going to pull all this radiator and other stuff out because we need to get that engine out so we can put the new one in. That's it for this Dirt Daily. We'll see you guys next time.